Well, hello and welcome back to another Killer Shapes devlog. Before I continue, I want to say thank you for the support on the previous video. We reached 106 subscribers, which is really amazing, and from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you. And real quick, thanks to all my Discord server members for their support, help, and contributions during development of the game. And with that being said, let's begin. So the first thing I worked on was a quick dialogue system for the NPCs I'm going to be adding to the game soon. It's a really simple system and doesn't need any explanation. I really want to thank David Knight for helping me out with this, so go check out his channel. This system will be used for some of the NPCs I'm going to be adding, and I also use it for boss intros and the like. After working on the dialogue system, I started refactoring some of my code to make it better and a bit more decoupled. This was because I was abusing a lot of singletons and direct references and thought it would cause conflicts if and when I add multiplayer and also down the road. While updating my code, I made a big oopsie and had to revert to a previous commit, but ended up losing tons of progress due to merge conflicts, and I mean all of it since the previous video. But after asking around on my Discord server for help, I found a way to fix all the merge conflicts thanks to Visual Studio's merge tools, and had to start doing everything all over again. After redoing all that, I started to design the boss AI. I took some time with this, as with all my complex systems, as I wanted to make it completely reusable, not just for the bosses but the enemies as well. You see, a boss is just a souped up normal enemy with more attacks and a larger health pool, plus phases. The first two are easy to do as my enemy attack system already handles that. So the most common way to create a boss is using state machine logic and the Unity animator, or you can hard code everything per boss, meaning each boss has its own script which describes its behaviors. I didn't want to do either of these as they both bother me a bit. Firstly, the animator can't really affect child objects from my experience, and I need my enemies to have child objects for some attacks. Plus, I don't really feel like coding behaviors for each boss as I am lazy. Luckily, events came to the rescue, namely Unity's event system. I won't go much into detail as to what events are, as we all use them in one way or another even if you don't know what they are, but I really recommend you look them up as they are very useful when it comes to writing clean code. So using events, I created a system that allows me to make a boss fight with as many phases as I want, and I never have to code any new behaviors for a boss fight again. And due to the wonders of Unity's event system, I can also affect lots of different factors without adding a direct reference to them in my code, which is really awesome. So after getting the system to work, I then whipped up a simple proof of concept boss. You might be looking at it and think this boss looks like crap. Yes, because it's just a proof of concept and I'm not done making it. Plus I still need to add the needed effects to make it stand out, like cool animations and transitions between phases. So yeah, that's all I did these past few weeks. I spent most of my time relaxing and playing some games as I was feeling burned out and bored from working on the game, so I took a few days to relax. Next, I'll be adding some cutscenes for when the boss fight starts, designing the remaining bosses, and also adding some functionality to the main menu. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you can, please sub if you like the video, and if you want to join the Discord server, links are in the description. Peace out and have an amazing day. And finally, I thank everyone on the Discord server. Peace.